Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Moz Pro for local SEO growth, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Moz Pro for local SEO growth, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Moz Pro website by typing in the URL. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you frequently use. Next, create a strong password for your new account. Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided. After entering your email and password, look for the option to start a free trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button to proceed. You will need to fill out a few personal details. Provide your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, add your company name for the registration. Select your country from the drop-down list. Enter your phone number in the space provided. Click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Moz. Open the email and click on the verification link included. Once your email is verified, return to the Moz Pro login page. Enter your registered email and the password you created. Log in to your new Moz Pro account. Now you will be taken to the Moz Pro dashboard. Here, you'll see various tools for your local SEO strategy. Explore features like keyword research and site audits to enhance your local presence. Start by setting up a new project to track your SEO efforts. Enter the details of your business and target location. Use Moz Pro resources to optimize your local listings effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.